Hello everyone, welcome to the new series called LLM Jargons Explained. So in this series of videos which I am going to do, we'll be talking about lot of LLM terminologies or jargons you can say. So there is a stats read on number of research papers released on 2020 during 2021 only on the topics AI and ML. So it was found out that 35 to 40 research papers were released per hour every day, and this is how the field is moving. Especially after ChatGPT, I think the number might have doubled or tripled. We don't know. So now in this series, I think these are the topics even which I came across when I wanted to understand the LLMs deeply. So in this series of sessions, I'll be going through each of the topics. In fact, I think I'll try adding the more topics as well to the list of what are the topics currently being shown, and we'll try to simplify the topics, and wherever it requires, we'll definitely go deeper into that. And let's start with the decoders and how a general sense of how a decoder works, and then we will go with the lots of various of attention mechanism and also RLHF, and also we have the DPO, which is kind of an acting as a replacement for RL part, and we have the tokenizers, and also recently coming on even a mixture of experts, even both Google and some other LLM companies are working on that, and LoRa techniques like QLoRa or XLoRa. There are lots of LoRa techniques and etc. There is lot of various ways in which we do quantization of models, and we will be discussing all of those in this series of videos. So let's get started on how a decoder works.